Judge Vonda B court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1010, Laura versus Tower.
Thank you. Ooh. You all may be seated. Let's see. Ms. Laura,
Yes, ma'am.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I'm trying to get my baby back.
Okay.
I have two babies,
Okay.
and I just had another baby with my boy. He's not my boyfriend anymore, but he hit my first baby, so Houston got to take him, and I want him back because I'm not with that boyfriend anymore.
So Houston took the baby or you lost the baby?
Either way, Houston has the baby, and I want it back.
No, it's not either way. It's you lost the baby. So did somebody intervene and take the baby away from you and
Yes,
give the baby?
ma'am. They took the baby and gave him to Houston.
Okay.
And I want him back.
Okay. And you have a new baby with your ex-boyfriend?
Not ex-boyfriend, ex-boyfriend.
So you guys are no longer together?
Correct, ma'am.
How old is this new baby?
How old's the new baby?
Yes.
Like 8 months.
And you're done with him after 8 months?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I was done with him like 10 months ago. The baby's 8 months.
Oh, okay. So before the baby was born?
Yes, ma'am.
Did he come to the birth of the child?
No, I didn't want him around.
Oh, okay. All right. So you now want to get custody back from
Yes, ma'am. From
Okay.
Houston.
who does the baby live with?
Me.
The baby? No, my baby lives with me.
No, not your child. How many children do you all have between you?
Just one.
Just one. And the child lives with him,
Yes, ma'am.
and you want the baby back.
Yes, ma'am.
How long has the baby lived with you?
The baby has been
Yeah.
living the whole time.
Oh, okay. And how old is this child?
5.
5. Oh. And you expect to get child support,
Yes, ma'am.
and the child has been living with him for almost, it's a boy or girl,
Boy.
his whole life?
Yes, ma'am. Well, when I get my baby back, I want child support. Yeah. He makes way more money than I do. I want my baby back and I want child support.
I'm sorry, you have to excuse me because nothing you're saying is making sense right now. You came to court to ask me to give a child back to you that was taken from you, that's 5 years old, that's pretty much lived with this man the entire time that he has been
They took
taken care of.
All right, guys. This part unpacks the chaos behind Laura's request. She wants custody back of a child she hasn't raised for 5 years, claiming the only reason she lost the child was because of an abusive ex. But the judge sees right through the emotional fog and drops some legal reality. Custody doesn't work that way. Laura's logic? Give me my baby now, and I'll ask for support later. But that's not how family court functions. It's a tense moment as Laura realizes her past decisions have legal consequences. What seemed like a plea for justice starts looking more like a desperate Hail Mary, and the judge isn't here to entertain half-baked plans.
They took my baby away because my ex-boyfriend is an abuser and I'm not with him anymore, so I want my baby back.
Right, but the child hasn't been living with you. The child has been living with him.
Yeah, because of my ex, and I'm not with my ex anymore.
Yeah, so no, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. He would literally have to have given you the child back. And then you come in here, after you've been having the child for some time, then you come in here and say, Judge, I want this to be changed. I've been having the child this entire time. I want him to pay child support. That would be a little bit more reasonable. But what you're asking for today is very unreasonable.
Okay, well give me my baby back and then I'll come back in a while and ask for child support.
Well, I can't give you your baby back because I never took your baby. Okay? Actually, nobody really took your baby. You lost your baby for your own negligence with your ex-boyfriend. That has nothing to do with me. Okay? Now, fill me in over here. The baby was placed with you after the boyfriend hit the baby,
Yep.
and he's been living with you ever since then.
Yep.
You've been taking care of him. You pay for everything for the child.
Everything.
What does she do?
I visit.
She visits unsupervised.
Okay, congratulations.
Is where the courtroom flips. The focus shifts to the father, quiet until now, who has been caring for the child full time. The judge zeroes in on who's actually been there financially and emotionally. Turns out, Dad's been footing every bill while Mom only visits. And not only that, but those visits aren't supervised, which blows holes in her story of danger and instability. This moment hits like a gavel, cold, clear, and final. The judge calls out the truth, making it clear who the real parent has been. The suspense now shifts from whether Laura gets the child back to whether she'll end up on the hook financially.
Financially, what does she do?
Financially?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Oh, that's what I figured. Okay. I see what's going on here. Yeah, and I'm not about to play this game with you. You're the one that's going to pay him child support today.
What?
Yeah, you are.
He makes like 3 times as much money as I do. I have to give him my money?
It's for the child, so yes, you do. You do. But the good thing is, it's based on your income. You'll get credit for the other child that your 8-month-old, you'll get credit for that child. But yes, you are going to pay him child support. That's just the right thing to do. It's one child between the two of you, okay? And health insurance, I'm assuming you pay it.
Yes.
How much is it?
$66 a month.
$66.
I get it
Okay.
through my employer, so.
Huh?
I get it through my employer.
Okay, gotcha.
Now this is the bombshell. Laura walks in expecting to get her baby and maybe even a check, only to find out she has to pay him child support. That twist? Brutal. The courtroom tension spikes as Laura's face drops, realizing her role just flipped. The judge doesn't back down and lays out the facts. She hasn't been the custodial parent, and legal responsibility comes with a price. It's a jaw-dropping pivot that forces Laura, and the audience, to confront the hard truths of custody: law. Justice isn't about sympathy. It's about stability, facts, and doing right by the child. And in this moment, the court makes that crystal clear.
Our obligation comes out to $423.69 plus the $66 you're going to reimburse him for health insurance every month. So 66 added to $463.69 is $489.69.
$489.69?
Did you need me to repeat it?
I'm asking you, $489. I have to give him almost $500 a month?
Yeah, that's how it works. Did you really think that I was going to have him pay you child support?
No, I just wanted my baby.
Oh, okay, so your first answer was no, so then you understand exactly why you have to pay child support. Is there anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay, is there anything else?
Nope.
Okay, you all are dismissed.
This section seals the deal with cold, hard math. The judge runs through Laura's income, calculates her monthly obligation, and drops the final number, $489.69. Laura is stunned. She's shocked she has to pay almost $500 a month to a man who, according to her, makes way more. But the judge is unfazed. It's not about who earns more. It's about who parents more. Even with deductions for her second child, the amount stands. And that's the moment Laura's expectations completely unravel. Her case collapses not on emotions, but on evidence. This isn't just a court ruling, it's a full-on dose of legal reality.